Here I'm going to take out my OEM Lennox air filter. It's a carbon clean MERV 16. So you can see here it's the X6675 model, carbon clean 16. This one is 20 inch by 25 inch by 5 inch. So I have a Lennox system. You need to make sure there's a graph down there, the table that shows you the model and the replace filter. So you can see here, mine's the Lennox one. This one's been in there for over 12 months. You are supposed to replace them every 6 to 12 months, so I'm overdue on this one. So it's super simple. It's got little tabs in there that you can push down to grab the filter out. So you're just gonna, for an angle, I'm trying to do this one-handed, so it's a little bit more difficult. So you pinch these sides, yank out the filter, and it slides out very easily. Well, pretty easily. Give it a little bit of muscle there. You can see one side is black. That's that charcoal activated filter. That's there to help filter out, up to 99% of the dust. So you can see that black ridges there. It looks pretty good after over 12 months of usage. This is a pretty hefty filter if you haven't replaced it. So there's the model number again. Like I said, you're going to be angry if you don't find the exact model number that fits. And then the airflow indicator, making sure you know when you do replace this, you're going to have to put it in the right position. There you can see the slot that it came out at. Yours might look a little different, but it'll be pretty the same if you're looking for the same filter. Just slide the new one in there and close it up.